Good morning, everybody. Hey, we did eat good down in Louisiana. This is all that was left of Charlie's ribs. I didn't even take a picture of them cooking. Man, best ribs I've ever had. And I'm going to try to copy his recipe and do it here too. So grab yourself a cup of coffee. This is a short little video of some of the fine cooking we ate down there. And yes, I gained a little bit of weight. Good morning, everybody. Well, it's about noon. It's a different kind of heat here in Arizona. Louisiana, because Louisiana and Arizona are definitely two different types of heat. We always talk about dry heat, but here in Louisiana, we ain't got dry heat. We got moist heat. I've never experienced it. A lot of you guys from down south know what I'm talking about. From you guys in Arizona and other places, you don't know. It's kind of humid. You kind of walk out the door and boom, there it is, hitting you right in the chest. What is the temperature right now, Charlie? What's that say behind you?
82.
82 with humidity of?
A little over 60%.
60%. So you can feel it. You really can. So we got a little thing here I'm going to show you. I'm going to pause the camera if I can pause it. I'll probably turn it off because I don't know how to do that. Did you cook those, Vicky?
Sure did.
Ooh, your first one, but you didn't know how to get them out of the basket, huh?
I know how. I just wanted her to make sure they were done before.
Okay, we're gonna let you turn off the gas, Gary. Thank you.
Okay, I got it Tums, so I'll get the gas off. There goes. What do you call them? Just shrimp? Popcorn?
Fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp. You did good, girls. I'll take care of the heavy work. I'll turn the gas off. Me and Charlie went through this today and changed it a little bit. We added a drain spout. Put all new oil in it. Now, the girls have been cooking. It's warm out here today. It is 89 degrees with, what do we got? Humidity about 48% humidity. I got the gas turned off, buddy.
I know.
Now we're gonna have
Something boil over in there?
Yeah.
we made
Potatoes and stuff the other night.
in that big boiler out there. We made French fries, and we got the shrimp. Now these are good shrimp.
Yeah. Oh shit! I forgot. Sure do.
Forgot to do the what?
Air fryer. With
Oh
those
yeah.
Potatoes.
Got more stuff in there. We're gonna have a salad, and I made the dip. I did the hard work as usual.
Your ass.
Then we got all this stuff here.
Let's blow some of this smoke up somebody else's butt.
Oh, are you ready for food there, buddy? This is gonna be good. I'm gonna go try that out right now. A little more later. I forgot to add that these are fresh caught
Shrimp.
from
South Louisiana.
Where?
Gulf of America.
Gulf of
Gulf
America.
of America.
Yeah.
And we battered them up, fried them up, picking to eat them up.
Well, you skinned them or whatever, you peeled it.
We peeled them and kept them on ice during that time, and after that, then we debanged them. That's where you butterfly them down the back and take out the poo-poo vein.
So these are shitless.
Yep.
All right. So these ain't the frozen stuff you buy downtown. This is the good stuff from Louisiana. Not Louisiana.
Yeah. We ain't
All right, we're going to chow in. Last night here, we can't wait to eat this. Hey, everybody. We're still here in Pineville. This is a brand new cafe they just opened up, and it is big. And the food was wonderful. We really enjoyed our time here. The girls are friendly. If I can get that one to say hello. There, see, I told you they were friendly. Good service, good food. Come and check this place out, guys. You won't regret it if you're in Pineville. That's for sure. show you where it is out here. Yeah, I know. Known for fish. But it's brand new. And the blood's never been here. You know you gotta go to a Walmart on a vacation. And that's where it is. Look at the price of fuel here. Through $2.39. Can you guys beat that? Wow, we're having a wonderful time. All we're doing really is eating and visiting, mainly. I mean, we didn't even leave the house for 3 days. Just sit there, had a little toddy, drank a little bit. It is beautiful here. I think it's 86 degrees, and we're right off. This is the road. To my right is a little town called Bell. To my left is Alexandria in Louisiana. Looks like Junction 165 if you're looking for it. But just a beautiful day. Beautiful grass, nice and green. We're enjoying our time. So that's about it for right now. I'm gonna go hop in the car before they leave me. Right there they are. Hi everybody, there they're waving. Yeah, there they are. Wonderful time down here in Louisiana. Now then, we're gonna go have a toddy. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe. You know how to do what.
There are good ships, there are wooden ships. There are ships that sail the sea. But the best ships are friendships. May they always be.
Salute, guys. Wish we were all together. Woo! Oh, peanut butter.